Hello everyone, we're out here in the orchard taking a walk today with Jackson. Say hi, Jackson.
Hi.
And we're taking a look at the damage from the storm. We're gonna go visit Jackson's cousin over that direction.
Yeah, you can really see his house from here. And while we were exploring it would be cool if we could find an egg pointer out here.
Yep, and we're gonna check on the chickens while we're over there, see if they laid any eggs.
And we're gonna maybe check if there's any way we can replant some of these trees.
Yeah, so let's take a look at that real quick. So this is what we're dealing with. We got to come out here and cut these trees up.
Oh, yo.
There's two just right here, and this thing's pretty big.
What? It looks like someone like dug up the hole and screamed timber.
Yep. Okay, let's get started on our walk over there. We'll stay in the grass right here and it won't be as muddy. So as we're walking over here, I see the chickens out here and the duck. Look at that, Jackson.
Yeah,
they're out here roaming around.
Yeah.
We have this one duck that thinks it's a chicken.
He's like, I'm a chicken, bye-bye.
Yeah, so we put it back in with the ducks. It gets out and hangs out with the chickens for whatever reason. Kind of funny.
Hey, chicken. Bah, 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 bah.
Anyway, you guys are supposed to be in the house laying eggs. What's going on?
Hey, do they like sticks?
No, they don't like sticks.
What do they like?
Well, they're eating bugs and seeds.
Wait, what if we find like a worm, we hold it by the tail and we lure it like to the pins, like, hey, do you want some dinner?
They would probably eat that, yes.
Yeah, they'd be like, I'd be like, you'll be dumb enough for this.
Okay, what do you say we head over to the house, the chicken house, and see what's going on?
I bet.
Okay, we're coming up on the chicken house. Let's see what's going on over here. There's an old dirt bike if somebody wants one. Yeah, so the door's open. So I think what my mom and dad did was leave this open because of all the rain. You know, you can see how muddy it is in there. And there's one over there eating in the garden.
Why?
So we're trying to get this thing open.
Oh, it's a push.
See if there's any eggs, which I highly doubt there is. Oh, I was wrong. Look at that. We got eggs.
Yo, let's go.
Hold on. Let's go get an egg crate and come back and get them.
Oh,
Here we have a visitor checking on us to see why we're in their house. Here, she's checking on her eggs, I guess.
wait.
Or maybe see if there's some food.
Wait, maybe those are her babies.
Let's see. Okay, we're back. We got the egg crate.
Yeah.
We're gonna collect up these eggs.
We're gonna collect these quickly and carefully.
So the reason I said earlier that I doubt there was any eggs is because chickens normally almost quit laying in the wintertime. Summertime, it's very productive. They'll do an egg a day easily. But it's definitely slowed down, but we're still getting some production.
Yeah, this is like a foam, real foaming. They have like a nice little foam.
I think that's about it, huh? Half a dozen since yesterday. That's not bad for the wintertime.
Yeah, it's not bad at all, is it?
So we probably should give them a little bit of food.
Yeah, at least we don't have to spend money.
So let's open, yeah. Yeah, everybody knows the price of eggs these days.
Yeah, could you hold these? Because I want to go back.
Okay, so we got the eggs collected up. Now we'll give them a little bit of food. We don't have to feed them as much because we, like I said earlier, we got the gate open. They can roam out here, eat the weeds, bugs, or whatever they can find, but we still supplement that with a little bit of food. There's one looking. I think she might be hungry. Here comes another one. Chickens are smarter than you think. See, they heard the food, so they're all starting to collect over here now. Yeah, they're getting into it. So right now out in the orchard, this is the, let's see, January 21st, I believe it is. This is the least attractive time to me anyways, out here in the orchard. The grass is growing, all the leaves are gone. There's just not, they're dormant. There's not a lot going on. Still not quite dry enough for us to get the tractor out here and get these weeds mowed. But we'll get there. It always happens. And you can see down the row here, the weeds, and then out there's a tree that's down, needs to be cut up. And we're probably about 3 weeks away from the blossom stage. And that's when things get very attractive out here. And we got to bring the bees in, pollinize all the flowers. And I'll do a video on that when the time comes. Let's take a look at one of these trees and see what the buds look like right now. We should be able to see them. Yeah, this one, I don't see much going on here. Let's look at another tree. It depends on the variety too. Some are earlier than others. And I don't see a whole lot going on here either. Looks like another tree is half blown over here. I gotta cut this one up too. That's funny, the one that's blown over already showing signs of blossoms. So if you look right here, you can see these are all gonna be flowers. That branch is pretty much dead. And you can see the flowers right there. Right here. So yeah, that's what's going on out here.